Welcome to Norden Manufacturing, where we build equipment for your farm, bringing quality from our factory to your field. Here at Norden Manufacturing, quality begins with people who care. Kenneth Coons started this business while farming in northeastern Ohio when he saw a need for a simple, reliable hay accumulator. It operates using gravity to put bales together in the field for easy pickup with a loader. From that first idea nearly 20 years ago, this family business has grown into a full-scale manufacturing center for small square bale handling. Norden not only designs and produces hay equipment, but also fabricates products for other manufacturers. The research and design team draws up products in Onshape and then loads the drawings into NetSuite for the production team. We buy steel from local suppliers for everything we need here at Norden. Pickled and oiled sheet steel and rust-free tubular steel is delivered each week and unloaded inside. This provides us with a clean, reliable starting point so downstream processes are more repeatable. We then process the steel using drawings from the R&D team. Tubular steel is cut to length with bandsaws and a cold cut saw. Edges are deburred for better part fit up and safe handling. Our skilled operators use Bridgeport mills to make holes or slots in tubular steel. For higher precision components, such as pins, sleeves, and spindles, our dual-spindle CNC lathe can make short work of even the most complex parts. Side by side with the tubular steel, the sheet material goes to the laser to be cut into parts up to 1 inch thick. The nesting software, along with its skilled operator, ensure that we use our material with minimal waste. Our high-speed 10 kilowatt fiber laser cuts with accuracy of 0.005 of an inch. Whenever possible, Norden uses nitrogen assist gas from our on-site generator to prevent oxidation on part edges. This, along with edge rounding on our sander, makes for excellent powder coat adhesion later in the process. Any parts that need to be bent move to either the 44-ton or 175-ton press brakes. Here, we can dial in the bends to within 0.5 degree, ensuring ideal part fit-up. After component pieces are completed, they come together in the kitting area where someone will use the work order to ensure all parts are available and ready for welding. This helps to avoid delays or mistakes in the welding process. We have a team of experienced welders that pride themselves on quality. Norden's certified weld instructor further equips these artists of lightning and steel to create durable welds. The R&D team provides the welders with fixtures that accurately locate the critical dimensions. We also use a welding robot that can take on the higher volume parts with consistent, high-quality welds. The powder coating department receives the parts from welding. In one of 2 wash stations, the parts are carefully cleaned with a high-pressure, slightly acidic hot water to remove all oils and contaminants and give a phosphate conversion coating before being rinsed with reverse osmosis water. Wet parts are blasted with air and dried in a low-heat oven. Our team then applies the part with the powdered coating. The parts are then shuttled into the oven to be heated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, producing a smooth, durable finish. After coming out of the oven, the parts are allowed to cool down and are ready to be assembled. The first part of the accumulator to be assembled by our exceptional assembly team is the running gear. The upper gate section and lower bed section of the accumulator are assembled with careful attention to detail. The running gear, gate section, and bed section are then bolted together. The accumulator is kitted for final assembly at the dealership or farm with all of the parts necessary to attach to the baler hitch. The grabbers and tie grabbers are efficiently and accurately assembled in a separate station. Each tie grabber is tested before it is shipped. The shipping department receives the assembled equipment and prepares it for transportation on flatbed trucks, van trailers, or shipping containers. We can ship through commercial shipping companies, send our own delivery trucks, or load up your truck. Our office employees work hard to support our dealers and customers. From the time our products are delivered, we are available to answer your questions, supply parts, or provide repairs. Norden Manufacturing understands that when we build equipment and custom products to last, we also build lasting relationships. Your trust and satisfaction is our highest priority. For more information, give us a call at 877-296-5851 or visit our website at www.nordenmfg.com.